Hi everyone, my name is Amy and this is my first YouTube video on our channel. If you like our content, then you can subscribe and make sure you sign up for notifications so you can watch our stuff. For our first video, I'm going to unbox a package of items that I ordered from APTHCRY. There may be a little surprise in here for my husband for his birthday, so don't tell him. I already opened the box, so let's see. This is our first purchase from APTHCRY also. Okay, I'll show you that at the end. The trucker hat in black says APTHCRY right there. We also got my son one for Christmas. Ooh, this is really nice packaging. We got this color. Ooh, those are super cute. Those are limited edition. Those are so nice. Pink socks. Your sneaker's favorite sock. I believe it. We'll save that one for last. This is a nice color. It's a really nice blue. I'm super excited about these ones because my husband's birthday is on Halloween. They're bats. Super cute. Very, very cute. Air freshener, that's an APTHCRY sock. Couple disposable wipes to clean your sneakers. This, I just got a white pair of socks, but he signed it for my husband for his birthday, so thank you. Super cool. Last but not least, a card. But you turn it over and it says, "Happy birthday, Dayton. Appreciate the support," and he signed it. Seth signed it. I appreciate him doing that. That's gonna make my husband's day. And we'll definitely be buying again. And I suggest that you do the same. All right, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.